Hey guys, welcome to the Fusion Beats Dance channel. I'm Francesca, and what we're doing today is something a little bit different. We're doing more of the Western styles of dance. So in particular, we're doing the song Boss by Fifth Harmony. So all about girl power, and because we're all about confidence, about bringing attitude, about being strong as girls and as women. So this is an awesome one. It's got elements of, I'd say, more of a girly hip hop with a bit of sass to it as well. You will learn a lot out of this routine because there are standing movements as well as floor movements as well. So floor is something in Bollywood, we might do it at the beginning of a song or at the end of a song, but this is during the song, okay? So see how you go. Also, just remember there is no music to this, so if you need to know the music or the dance cover, click on the link below and you can follow it there. Also, don't forget to check out the Fusion Beats merchandise that we have, as well as other things that we've got going on through our Instagram, our Facebook page, as well as the YouTube channel. So stay tuned and let's get dancing. So to start with, we're going to start facing the mirror, okay? We're going to use our left hand and we're going to pull away. Okay, as we do, we slide. Okay, so we're sliding across. So let's do this. We slide and then we're going to click. When we click, we're going to lower our body down. So we'll do that. 1, 2. Then you're going to go step, step, right, left. Okay, so let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and your hands are going to be flat. Okay, so keeping your hands flat, you're going to go right, left. Then you're going to sink down, and it's like you're asking for money. Okay, so pay. All right, so ready, and slide, drop, right, left, down. Then while you're in this position, you're going to go left, right, right. So what we do, slide, drop, right, left, down. While you are here, you're going to go left, left, okay? And your chest is going to go out, in, and the right arm, up, up, okay? So all at that same level. So ready? So over, drop, right, left, down, over, then it says nay. So for the nay bit, we're going back, 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 okay? And do the nay. All right? So it's only a little bit of a step. It's not that much of moving. So this bit, 1, 2, 3, and drop, out, out, back, back, back. Then in an odd count of 1, 2, you're going 1, 2, okay? So just jumping out with a fist, bring it in. But when you bring it in, roll it down. So out, roll, down. You're then going to take 2 steps forward. So 1, 2. More of a girly one, okay? Because you're talking about ladies in this bit. So cross the right, cross the left. Rather than just trying to go like this, okay? So we've got right, left. The hands, they're going to be in this position and you're just shaking the fingers. So you're going 1, 2, take the right foot out, and as you do, your arms are going around and down, okay? So flip, down at the same time. So with that walk, 1, 2, flip it, down. Use your left shoulder, you're going to roll, bring it together, then sit back, okay? Now that sit back move, you're hitting back, you're rolling your back and your arms come forward, okay? So it's a big circle. So with those 2 parts together, let's go through it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? At the end of this, because it is more for the intermediate to advanced dancers, every time you learn a set of 8 or 16, press stop go through it with the music, okay? So let's do it one more time. Ready? And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, wait, 2, 3, 4, flip up, down, roll, roll out. Okay? Now this next bit, you have to break it down, okay? So once we stand here, so we're here. 1, bend the left knee. 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So that's the slow version, but it's actually 10 times faster than that. So we've got here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll backwards, 5, 6. So your ribs are going left, right. They're going behind. As you do that, you're taking 2 steps back. So right, left leg. Then your hands are going to flip up as you go backwards, in. Okay? So let's put that together. So we're here. So we're going 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, up and down. So you're facing the side. The last little bit of this, from here, you're going left, right. If you've seen a lot of my choreo, I do a lot of the bounce back and forward, but your hands are doing something different all the time. This one, our hands are coming over us, okay, like we're giving someone a hug. Use the back of your hands, hug. So we're going 1, 2, roll down, 3 and 4, okay? So you're bringing yourself down to the left, then it's sharp, sharp, then the last bit, we body roll, and as you're doing the body roll, we're going to come back up, and as we do that, we're going back, 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 and it's talking, okay? This song is full of attitude, so we're going down, talk, talk, talk. With the body roll, with this type, you are going down on an angle, but when you come up, you're pushing yourself to the back corner to sit there. Your legs, your right leg bends, then your left. Okay, so down, talk, talk, talk. Okay, so let's put that whole first bit together. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Circle, circle, back, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, over, talk, talk, talk. So with this first section, press stop, go through it with the music, then come back here because then you have the chorus. Next bit, we're now up to the chorus. We do this part of the dance at the beginning and then we do it at the end as well. So we've just finished going under, talk, talk, talk. Use that left leg that you've got your weight on, transfer it, and you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now it's going to be a bit more boppier than what I've done. So you're going to go boom, up, down, down. The step we've done in other dances as well, and when I was little it was similar to it's like a kickball change, a springboard change, it's all that sort of stuff, okay? But what we're doing is we're going kick with the left, then step it down and out. Then right, down and out. Left, down, out, right, down, out. Boom, 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 boom. Now I will have separate videos on, I guess, the little techniques and movements that I have done in my choreography so you can learn them and put them together into routines. So stay tuned for that. But for the time being, just remember you're here, talk, talk, talk. Left step, step. Right step, step. Left step, step. Right step, step. And then you can bounce it. Hop, down, down. Up, down, down. Up, down, down. So for this bit, we've gone under, talk, talk, talk. Out, out. Then you bring your arm and your hip to the left, left, run, run, run. Okay, now that running, you can get closer together. You could run forward, but it's a turn. So run, run, run with your knees sort of high. Okay, so a very girly turn. So we do that again. So it's up, up, run, 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 drop your body. And we're clicking and bending. 1, 2, circle, click. Your knees are continuously going 1, 2, 3, 4. And your hands are going 1, 2, circle, click. Then the last bit, flick it out, flick it down, jump, jump out. And your hands are by your side. So flick, down, jump, jump, hit. Okay, so that's the chorus. Let's do that all together. Ready? And 1, 2, up, in, run, 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 drop, drop, circle, click, flick out, down, jump, jump, hit. Okay, so get familiar with that. Press stop, come back, and we're going to do the floor part. What I love about the song, I did this dance as a way to build the technique of our dancers. So we're not just doing light bulbs and all that sort of like bouncing. I wanted to get some technique happening, so we're doing some floor work. So stay tuned for that. Press stop, go over the first part, go over the chorus, and then we'll do the floor. All right, guys, so as soon as you have finished the chorus, so the chorus is a jump, jump, out. We are then doing floor work, okay? Floor work's really good. It's really good to do different levels because it catches the audience's attention to something different. It also pushes you as a dancer as well, so that you're not always just standing upright and then dancing, okay? You've got different levels happening. So for this one, we'll break it down. We have 1, okay? So you're just dropping. 2, you are putting your right foot on an angle and you're out there. 3, so that's 1, leg 2, 3. Keep your left leg up and you're doing a circle, okay? So let's do that again. So you've got, now it is obviously easier when you're doing it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. While you're here, you're using that right leg, push up, 5, 6, and then for 7 and 8, you're going to do a windmill with your legs. So I guess what you're doing is you're leaning back on your elbows, and what you're doing from here is you're bringing your left leg over, right leg over, and then sitting to the back with your right leg like this, okay? I did say it is a lot easier doing this quickly, okay? From here, your right hand goes above your head, left hand does a circle below. So together, 1, 2, right hand goes up, 3, 4, put your left hand down, 5, flip over, 6, so you're jumping with straight legs, 7, 8. Okay, so you have 2 counts to rise up. Now that is done so fast that you have to go through it. So we'll speed it up a little bit, okay? That was the moves are broken down. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? So try and flip yourself over, 5 and straight legs, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, you can try it a little bit quicker, press stop, go over that, but that's the floor section. This is a super fun dance to do. We had a blast doing it. It does take a little bit of time. You've got your first section, you've got your chorus. You've then got the floor work, then the second verse, and then the chorus again. Have fun with it. Be strong in this dance, okay? Everything's about being strong, having respect, having confidence. I will have another dance cover out maybe in a couple of weeks or so, which will be more on a jazz element to it. So a lot of turns, a lot of kickings as well. So stay tuned for that because I'm trying to like broaden,
I guess, your understanding of different styles of dance. I don't particularly just go with one style. I love a whole array of it. So if you've got any comments, comment down below. Also, check out us on Instagram on Fusion Beats Dance for stuff that's happening locally, as well as things that we've got coming up and things that you might want to know.